Hello friends, myself Manish Joshi welcomes all of you in my chemistry channel. In this video we will discuss about the standard hydrogen electrode. What is the need and importance of standard hydrogen electrode? We will explain in this video. In the previous video we have discussed about that what is electrode potential and what is cell potential. But when we are going to determine the cell potential, it is necessary to construct a cell with the help of two electrodes. And when we construct an electrochemical cell, we definitely find a value of potential that belongs to a cell, which is known as cell potential. But if we want to determine or measure the electrode potential of any unknown element, how can we measure? To solve this problem, we have to construct an electrochemical cell, and in that electrochemical cell, one electrode should be that which electrode potential we have to measure, and the another electrode we should arrange whose electrode potential is fixed or already known, so that whatever value of the cell potential we obtain, after getting that cell potential value, we can subtract the electrode potential value of that known electrode, so that we can find out this electrode potential value of unknown element. So this is our main target. How can we determine this potential of unknown electrode? And for that we need a reference electrode whose electrode potential not changes, fixed, and that's electrode potential value we already know. For that purpose, generally we use a reference electrode which is known as standard hydrogen electrode. So in this video we will discuss about standard hydrogen electrode. Standard hydrogen electrode. Their value are referred to as standard hydrogen electrode. By definition, the reduction potential for hydrogen is 0 volt. This is the equation, how in which manner it behave like that. In the first case, if you are observing, we can understand that hydrogen gains 2 electrons and convert into H2 gas. When this process occurs, when H plus ion gains electron and convert into H2 gas, in that condition it is work as a cathode. The other side, when hydrogen gas lost electron and convert into H plus ion, in that situation it work as an anode. So when the hydrogen electrode work as an anode, how can we express? The expression has given there: platinum, H2, this is a G4 gas, 1 atm pressure, oblique 2H plus aqueous 1 molar. This is the representation of electrode notation. In the same way, when the hydrogen work as a cathode, how can we express? The expression has given there: Pt, 2H plus aqueous 1 molar concentration, oblique H2 G4 gas 1 atm. So in this manner we can express standard hydrogen electrode when it is work as an anode or in the form of cathode. Now this is the structure of standard hydrogen electrode. Okay. In this, a platinum wire dipped in 1 molar HCl solution, and this platinum wires one end is coated with finely divided platinum, this part, okay, platinum electrode, and from this side hydrogen gas has been introduced in this electrode at 1 atm pressure. So this is the internal structure of standard hydrogen electrode. What happened during the working of hydrogen electrode? You can observe that reduction and oxidation. In the first case, hydrogen going for reduction. Reduction means gain of electron. H plus ion gains electron and convert into H2 molecule, which we can observe in this manner. Look at here, H2. When the oxidation process involved in the standard hydrogen electrode, it lost electron and convert into H plus ion. So we can say hydrogen electrode itself can work as a anode as well as cathode. So because it can work as a anode and as well as cathode also, so its reduction potential is always constant, and the overall value for the reduction potential of hydrogen comes 0 volt. Now this is the another structure of standard hydrogen electrode, that is platinum wire dipped in 1 molar HCl and hydrogen gas passed from the right hand side to maintain the concentration of H plus ion. So in this manner we have discussed that what is the meaning of SHE, what is the role of SHE, and how the SH has been constructed. Thank you so much.